Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today I am actually going to be showing you some of the goodies that came in the Revlon bag from the event that I actually went to with Revlon. And I just wanted to share these goodies with you guys because you guys have been asking. So let's just dive into this bag and take a look at everything. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and become one of my precious angels. If you are already one of my precious angels, you guys know I love you so much. And let's just dive into this video. Okay angels, so first and foremost, if you guys did not know, I was invited to an event by Revlon. It was called a Live Boldly event. It was a 2-day event. There was a nighttime party, like a party mixer, and there was a daytime event where it had like a complete itinerary, makeup classes, master makeup classes, just testing out new products, everything. It was amazing. If you guys did not see the vlog, it's a vlog up on my channel. But anyway, they were nice enough to allow us to make this goodie bag. So this is my bag that I made. They have my name on it and everything. And I chose everything on my bag where it says Revlon, the heart, the wings, my name, just everything, Live Boldly. Everything that you guys see on this bag, I designed it and they actually heat pressed it for me. So it was my custom bag. And this is the goodies that we got at the event. And we are supposed to be getting sent out a whole nother PR package. So once I receive that PR package, I will try my best to do a video for you guys. But in this, we actually got this book. This book is from the model Ashley Graham. And it says what confidence, beauty, and power really looks like. And I'm really not sure of all her story. But she was at the event. I did not get a chance to interact with her. One of my friends did. I was too busy getting tattoos and doing other things. But from what I heard, she was a plus size model that like gained a lot of confidence to live out her dreams. Don't quote me on that. But this is her. She's gorgeous. And this is her book. So they gave us that. I'm going to have to check that out because I do love reading. So this is Revlon's new palette. This is the Color Charge palette. I have not used this palette yet, but when I do, I'll make sure I do a makeup tutorial for you guys. But I'm just going to open it so you guys could at least see the colors. So there's a brush in here. And this is the palette in all its colors. Hope you guys can see that. Very pretty. I got a lot of these lippies that they came out with. These are the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Creams. This shade here, this is Rich Bordeaux. This shade here is Almond Suede. And this is Fresh Petals. And I actually got another Fresh Petals in here as well. I have Spice Berry. Okay, and that's it for that. And I'm going to just show you guys how it actually comes out. So as you can see, it's very pretty. It's like a lipstick but gloss at the same time, and it's made to plump up your lips, so I definitely want to try it. I can tell as this gets on your lips, it's very soft and creamy. So they also have in here the new Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter Foundation, and I have the shade 400 Caramel and 410 Cappuccino. And what's interesting about these foundations, angels, is that it comes with a sponge applicator. So you would just dab it, dab it, dab it. I think that's really cool. So I have not tested out this foundation yet, but when I do, I will make sure I test it on camera for you guys to see. I will say that with the shade ranges, they definitely need to expand, because these were like their two darkest shades, and you guys see my complexion. So if you are a deep complexion, you won't really find yours, and they didn't have like a lot of shades in between either. So that's something to think about. I also got these new Color Stay Exactify liquid liners. I have Mulberry, Mermaid Blue, Intense Black, and Sparkling Black. So let's just do the Mermaid Blue so you guys can see. So when you take it out, it's the roller one, and you would roll it. I don't know if I'm gonna like the roller liners, honestly, guys. I'm gonna have to test it out. Y'all know my Wing Gang liner is weak anyway. This is the Intense Black on top here, and this brown here is the Mulberry. Boldly all over it, and when you open it up, you roll it up, and that's how that looks. I love the gold tubing. I love that gold casing. It's super pretty. So as you guys can see, these are some pretty cool lipsticks. And I also have in here, Angels, this color changing lip powder. This is something that's new for Revlon as well, and what it is you apply this lip powder over your lipstick and it changes the color of it. This is the Revlon Color Charge Liquid Illuminator. So this is a liquid highlighter. I feel like I want to try it. Ooh. Did I overdo it, girl? Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so the illuminator is my favorite right now. Popping. Like literally popping. Highlight, come through. Come through, highlight. Also here I have this loose powder. This is another color changing thing, but this is a loose powder. And what it is it's like iridescent, but when you apply it to your eyeshadow, it'll give it like this iridescent vibe to it. It's very pretty. You guys have to see it. And then I have this other lipstick here. This is the Super Lustrous lipstick as well. This is Violet Rush, and this is matte too. Those are not matte. So this is nice. Okay, Angel, so that was the last thing that I got inside my bag. I hope you guys really enjoyed everything that I showed you today. I will try to leave some links down below to this stuff if you guys want to purchase any of it. And I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. You guys are the real MVP. If you got to the end of this video, make sure you comment down below MVP so I can know that you are loyal. I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you get out of here. And I will see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first. Always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.